value engineering.
Yeah. We out here, man. Got the big dog, Mr. Lofton, came down with First Lady. He got to come check it out. You know, his eye's sharper than mine. So when he come look, I want to make sure everything lined up, man. He had to come check out what we got going on the hard stuff. Him and First Lady. He brought First Lady down here with him this time now. Let's give First Lady a shout out. First Lady. Oh, she on the phone? Okay, that's First Lady, y'all. I got to let y'all know she out here. She repping with the big dog. That's wifey. They coming to check on us, make sure we got everything going right, man. I love the thumbs up. We get thumbs up most of the time. Thumbs up most of the time. We got to take the trim out of Lofton car. We're going to send all the chrome in to get re-chrome. It's that part of the spiel now. But getting the trim off, Mr. Tom noticed that it was a lot of, you know, butane glue. Everything was built up here when we was trying to get the trim to release. This is why they put all of that caulking and glue and everything in there, because of all of that rust. You know, the water was going inside the car, so they just filled it up with the glue and the caulking to stop the water from going in the car, but the rust was still eating away. Never stops, guys. Everything good. You never would have saw this right here. That's a rock. That's a hole. Look at my finger. Right here. And it's going to continue to grow if you don't neutralize the rust like that. So all this will be 8 out. Might be 5, 10 years from now.